to get... Damn it! There, I keep forgetting that this doesn't have a mirror. Yeah. Hi guys, today, yeah, I'm just going to do some makeup. Put some makeup on while I chat. I have this palette over here. I've had it for a long time in a separate drawer to try it, and I didn't do it until now. I got this around summer last year, I think. Almost a year ago. And it's still here, waiting to be tried. So we'll see about this one today. So yeah, this time I'm going to be applying my base makeup on camera as well, because I have a lot of stuff to chat about, I think. So my face, which has been quite dry lately, felt my skin. Guess haven't been drinking as much water as I should have. But it's already moisturized. My brows need some plucking for sure, but today I'm not even going to add any tint to them. I'm just going to brush them just to make them a bit less rebel looking. But I think they are even enough, I think, to be shown on camera with the judgy crowd. I don't care about the judgy crowd. Never mind what I said. You may have noticed from my last video and from this one that my intro wasn't as elaborate as I've started doing on my videos, because what's the point of saying what I'm gonna do when you already know from the title, and you probably clicked on the video just to see because of the title, unless you are a good sport and click on every video I publish. That would be great from you. If that's the case, thank you. Which brings me to another matter. I want to thank everyone who's been subscribed since the beginning. And since this is still the beginning, thank you for my 2 subscribers who joined the team on last Friday, the 26th, and today, the 28th of March. Thank you guys. Shout out and thumbs up for you. I hope you enjoy the contents of my videos and that you stay. You choose to stay. I know that part is on me. It's my responsibility to keep producing content interesting enough. But my goal here, what I think is interesting, is a content that is thought and that is just not sheer following of the crowds. You know, everybody is trying that product that just launched. I am not going to do that. If you're expecting that, maybe this is not the right place for you. Actually, maybe I'll do a series called Late to the Game while trying stuff that launched a few months ago, you know, that I'm just now trying, or I may not even try a launch, because I'm not going to buy everything that's launched. I can't keep up with it. I don't want to keep up with it because I don't have room to store everything. I've just done a small declutter. You can see in the video, in the cards up here. And there's just no need for that. However, I just came across the Nessamyrix, better late than never, I guess. And I'm going to be doing in a couple of weeks, I think, depends on when it arrives, a birthday haul, because I've just placed an order on Beautylish for the Nessamyrix products, and I just found out that there is the Nessamyrix Europe. Next time I order from the Nessamyrix, I'll go directly to the European site for sure. But Beautylish is good. Beautylish is a good place to shop online because they do offer that option for international shipping where you can just pay all the customs fees and your package is delivered to your door without any more hassles and without having to pay extra carrier fees. Carrier fees, you know. Okay, I'm just chatting and I'm forgetting to put my makeup on. This is my primer potion primer. I mean, what is this? Yeah, primer potion eyeshadow primer. Ew, the glare. So yeah, I just discovered the Nessa Myrix and I ordered a full face of products because my mom was a generous gifter and she gifted a purchase on Beautylish for my birthday, and my husband too. They both collaborated on this haul I'm going to make when it comes. Until then, let's just do BeautyBay's pastels. I'm a little distracted today, I don't know. Oh, about that starting the video right away without saying, oh, I'm going to do this and this today. I was inspired by Paulina Beauty. I'll link her down below in the description box. Please go check her out, definitely. She's a Swedish YouTuber with a mind of her very own, and she doesn't follow, she has quite a big platform, and she doesn't follow the masses. So she decided to stop buying every launch there was, and she just decided to do more shop my stash videos and chatty get readies with me and all that good stuff. So yeah, Paulina, I really like her because I trust her reviews and she talks about a lot of important stuff and shares her mind on a lot of subjects, important subjects. She used to have a series called The Swedish Word of the Day, but she decided she wouldn't do it anymore unless it comes up spontaneously, because I think it was because it would be interrupting the flow of the video. Just to stop and introduce the Swedish word of the day. What she does now is that if something comes up while she's talking, she actually teaches us a Swedish word. All right, now let's do, this is a more teal green. I'm just using the same brush. I'm really not worried. Ooh, let's do this lime green chartreuse called Serenity. It's this down here, and before on my crease I put Days over here, which is a more tealy, bluish green, turquoise maybe. I really like these shadows. They are, well, as far as pastels go, they are pigmented. Ooh. Okay, opacity wise, not my favorite. You can see both colors, I guess. Let me try and darken things up a bit. No, actually no. I just added blue. Yeah, I don't really know where I'm going with this. And it's patchy. I'm just laying the shadows down, not really blending. Because I have a feeling that these will blend out to nothing. And I just laid cloud free over here. Blue skies, cloud free. Nice. What will I do next? I think I'll do a dark under eye with some eye pencil or something. I'm just going nowhere with this. I'm sorry. Really don't know what to do with these. See, Lovesick down here. And I really don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm enjoying the violet. I think it's calling for some yellow. And there's a yellow in this palette called First Light over here. And I think I'm going to try to wet my brush with the color. Pigmentation wise, this yellow is really underwhelming. I don't like this pink over here. I think I'm just going to try to blend it in with some more of that chartreuse green called Serenity that we've used before. Next time I think I may go in with orange. Okay, I don't like this palette. I can't work with it. It's not that bad without the pink, but it's a little patchy. And I think I'm gonna use some highlighter over the lid to give it some dimension. It's not too bad, but not my style. I think what I'm gonna do is give this palette to my mom if she wants it, so she can try and use it on her paintings, because she's a painter, not a wall painter, a canvas painter. And when I started to declutter eyeshadow and she's starting to watch my YouTube videos, she asked me to pass some of the decluttered eyeshadow to her. And what she told me is that she was going to try and use them on her canvases. So she probably will mix them with water, make her own colors, and just paint. And she loves pastels, so she probably, in the, pastels, watercolors in general. So yeah, she's going to be experimenting with that. And I think I'm going to pass this one on to her, because either I'm not talented enough or I just like the darker looks. This is patchy. I'm not impressed. So what I'm gonna do is drop that gorgeous little Psycho, or a little bit Psycho, from BH Cosmetics, which has a black eyeshadow. And I'll just try, first of all, let me see if this yellow called Alarming, if it's better. Not very, ooh, this one doesn't have a mirror. Oh, that one, the pastel one, does have a mirror. Let me do the black now. Oh, but wait, these pastels are not all that bad. Blend this out a bit. Trying to get rid of harsh lines, but I'm not sure I'm being able to do that. I need to bring that black. See, this is where my lack of talent basically starts showing. Smoking out, not working. Pigmentation wise, these are actually not that bad. I mean, they are pastels, they are a light wash of color by definition, but they are hiding this black eyeshadow. I made a muddy mess over here, but that's my fault. See, here I am, up on my brows. Yellow and bluish makes greenish. Not mad at it, not mad. Okay. Not matte. It's not finished yet. It's a little messy still in the corners. Mom, I may be keeping this after all. We'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do for lower lash. Let's finish the base first while we think what we do with it. This is progress on my Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm not in love with this foundation because I've grown old. My skin, it changed. It used to be oily combo, and now it's just dry. I may get more oily on my T-zone on occasion. Nobody is born taught. Some people are born with more talent than others for something, but everyone eventually achieves a good level of proficiency at something by practicing. Yeah, having born in a family of artists, I may find something in my genes that helps me go through this learning stage. I said I don't like using concealer or powder under my eyes other than my base when I'm using a powdered base. But I am kind of hoping that the Myrick's makeup will help me change that, especially with that concealer foundation all-in-one situation. So I'm not trying to conceal everything. I'm actually going to be shearing down that foundation a lot because I hear it's really good coverage and I'm not looking for that. I'm going to be one of those who's going to shear that out, but I think if sheared out and used in conjunction with face oil and illuminators and all that good stuff, I'll get less powdery than what I'm looking right now. So this is not a forgiving foundation for aging skin, so don't go there. Or you could use the Myrick's techniques and do some oil and really good hydrating base. You see, when you say you have a mirror but you put it underneath your product, no. Okay. See, this is another one like that. I like to go heavy on the blush. This look is actually growing on me. I think I'm going to do purple on the lower lash line to go with my hair. And let's grab the highlighter. I think I'm still working on this one. I think I'm about to declutter it. I don't know. Just to see, yeah. Not sure. I think I'm lifting color. Bad idea. See, yeah, I got the highlighter all over my finger, but not as much on my eyes. It still has something, but yeah, it still has something, but it's not in your face highlighting. It's not what it used to be, that's for sure. It's powdery as fuck, but it doesn't go on your face. Just falls all over. We're done with this part, and I want to decide what I'll do. She's in parties. Oh. Yeah. This has an interesting shift to it because it looks yellow in the pen, golden. This is the shade Skeleton's Kiss, by the way. But it looks yellow in the pen, but it has some really nice pinkish shift. You see, I don't think this is not as purple as it is mauvey, but I think it may work. I'm going to use Mean Streak, this dark aubergine shade, and I'm probably going to mix it with Last Caress. Last Caress is this less dark mauvey shade over here. And I feel like trying something else. I got this on sale, these mood crayons by Linda Halberg. I tried the yellow ones. It didn't go very well. I need to try it again. But we'll try the color Calm Mood today, which is green. Watery eyes don't help. It's showing, it's showing. I'll now try the color Happy Mood, which is this yellow on the inner third. Okay, I'm happier with it. This is how it's looking. Today, I don't really feel like wearing lashes. I'm just going to be a rebel and live it like this today. Still working on the Dusky Nude by Nude by Nature. Let's apply this real quick off camera. This is it for today. If you enjoyed it, consider giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.